What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that like button and smash that subscribe button so that way we can see more of each other on this channel. So I just gave you guys a quick look into the hairstyle that I will be doing today in this video, and I'm going to start also by showing you the products that I'm going to be using. Just some gel, some grease, edge wax, a little bit of mousse, and these small rubber bands. So I'm breaking this video down step by step, and I hope that will help you guys. The first thing you're going to want to do is to separate the front of your hair from the back of your hair. So once you've done that, you're going to split that front section evenly down the middle, and then you're going to split those two sections evenly down the middle, following that up by doing that once again with the two sections you just created. So that way in total you have 4 on each side, totaling 8 in that front section. So once you have your parts the way that you want them, and that can be triangles, that can be diamonds, that can be arches, it's really whichever way you want to do it. But once you have them the way you want to apply the product around the perimeter and then secure it with a rubber band. Now, a quick little tip, once you secure it with the rubber band, I like to actually go back and apply a little bit, like a teensy little bit more product around the perimeter, just to get whatever flyaways did not get snatched up the first time. And here's a close-up clip just to show you exactly what I'm doing, so that way it'll make it a lot easier for you when you're doing it yourself. Now, once you finish parting and securing everything with the rubber bands, this is what it should look like. It may vary every time you do it. It's not going to always look exactly the same. So do not worry if it does not look exactly like this. And the back is a mess. Don't at me. Don't come for me. I tried. I had no mirror. Still going to look cute though. Now, to create your twist, you're just going to split the section of hair into 2 equal sections, and then you're going to take one section and twist it or wrap it over the other. To keep your twist tight, you're just going to want to keep your fingers close to where you previously twisted, so that way your twist is not loose and puffy. It's actually very tight and neat. Now, to actually make the Bantu knot, you're going to take that twist and begin wrapping it around itself at the base. Now, once you've created the first coil, I like to carry every additional one underneath of the previous. This makes it so your Bantu knot will stick out from your head instead of it being flat to your scalp. And once I have it the way I like it, I just like to secure it with a black rubber band, and there you have the Bantu knot. So here's some more clips of me doing that exact process that I explained. Hopefully that will give you guys a better representation if my explanation did not. But all you're gonna do is just repeat the same process all over your head until you're finished. You can also see how I'm twisting the twist around my finger. That's just the way I use to actually give me more control over the hair and to keep the twist tight, so that way it isn't getting loose and puffy as I'm wrapping it around. But you do want to be careful with this though, because if you wrap it too tight and make it too tight, it will give you a headache. So do keep that in mind. And as you guys can see, the parts of the back are not as square as the ones in the front. I wasn't really pressed about it, that's why I didn't fix it. But if you guys do want all of your parts to be the same shape, feel free to use a second mirror to help you see the back of your hair, and just keep reparting until you get it the way that you like it. Lastly, I'm applying some setting spray and mousse just to help get rid of the flyaways and set everything in place. For the little curly little pieces that I left out on the sides of my head, I just applied water and gel to those and twirled them around my fingers until I got them the way that I like them. And I also have sideburns on like both sides of my face, so I do those separate from the curly pieces. I just like to use some edge control and swirl them and make them look cute. So that way both the curly pieces and the sideburns look cute instead of it being like one looks cute and the other one just looks completely neglected. And of course, you know, we got to use that scarf. If you have natural hair and you do not have a go-to scarf, you definitely need to get one, because this is really the piece de resistance. Like, it melts everything into place. It sets everything. It does magic. You need to have one. But that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave a like. And if you have not subscribed yet, definitely do that before you head out of here. And I will see you in my next one.